Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to take a look at how the city modes function on the Whistler laser radar detectors. The detector that we're looking at here is the XTR690 SE, but they do function the same on all of our units. Our units are all defaulted to the highway mode, and in the highway mode this is basically just the way the radar detector works. Get your full sensitivity and your full audio alerts. However, sometimes when you're driving around town you may pick up signals from things other than police radar. Typically these are going to alert on the X band. Now the X band is not very often used by police these days, but it is still out there. So you want to keep that in mind. Okay, so in our highway mode, if we want to get into the city, what we'll do is we'll press the city button.
City mode.
And in this first mode here, what this is going to do is it's going to leave all of the sensitivities of the detector the same. It only changes the audio alerts. So instead of getting your full audio tones, you're just going to hear 2 beeps when you get in the signal. It'll still show on the display, just no more audio. And if we press the city button one more time,
City 1 mode.
we're in the city 1 mode, and it says here low X. So what that lets us know is that it's decreased the sensitivity of the X band, and that way you're not as likely to pick up those signals from the automatic doors and security systems and things of that sort. Alright, but you do still get your full audio just like you're in highway mode. If we press the city button one more time,
City 2 mode.
we're in the city 2 mode, and it says here no X. So that lets us know that the X band is completely shut off. In this mode you will not receive any X band alerts. But again, just like in highway mode, you get your full audio tones. Okay, now if we want to get back into the highway mode, we'll just press the city button one more time. Beeps twice to let us know the city mode is turned off, and it shows us we're back in the highway mode. And so that is how the city mode works for the Whistler laser radar detectors. If you've got any other questions, you can check out more of our videos at our YouTube channel. That's at youtube.com/WhistlerGroupInc. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.